National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for the Goose Creek near Leesburg from this morning until late tonight. At 6 a.m. Friday, the stage was 8.2 feet and rising. Flood stage is 12.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by late this morning and crest near 14.7 feet by early this evening. The river will fall below flood stage by late this evening. Impact at 15.0 feet. Water approaches the home near Highway 15 south of Leesburg. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 14.1 feet on May 1st, 2014. The flood warning